So in this video, I'll be talking the CSS basic structure, the box model. Okay. So what is this box model in this basic structure? If you can see it on the screen. So in this, how does the CSS actually styles the things? The secret is every HTML element is a box. Okay, so yes, every text, buttons, images, all are the boxes. So as you can see this. So there's like a content, then there is a padding, and then there is a border, and then there is a margin. Okay, so in CSS format, if I want you to show it, this will look like. See, a simple box, and these four layers will be coming. Okay, so four layers. So if you can see my code and see the magic, the padding is like a 20px structure, giving the breathing room inside, and the border 5px solid navy style gives the thick blue color in the edge we can see, and the margin 30px pushes other things away from the box. And if we can change the numbers, we can see the different kind of things are also happening. Okay, so now we can also look for the colors in the CSS as if you want to be an artist, if you look like an artist, then we can do these things as well.